to Royalty Soaps. Today, I'm testing a little something. I have never done Kaleidoscope. In fact, there's quite a few different design techniques I've simply never tried. So today, I'm trying one. I have absolutely no idea how it's going to turn out, so you might be watching a fail video. Before I start, I would like to thank Belinda from Love Your Suds. She has an incredible collection of soap shapers. She's the one that kind of invented the Kaleidoscope technique with her cool little pull-through shaper. I've never seen anything like it. It was brand new, hot off the presses a couple of months ago, and of course, I don't follow trends, so I'm a little late to the punch on this one. I didn't read any instructions, I didn't do anything by the rules, and I did whatever I want. So without further ado, let's make some soap and happy soap mess. Okay, so we're gonna pour our lye water solution into our oils. The recipe I'm using today is written down in the description box below, so let us blend in time. For my Kaleidoscope, I've decided to do 3 colors, though I'm sure you could do like 5, but I'm not good at it yet because I've never done it before. So I'm just gonna pour some soap off. I don't actually know how much soap those little molds hold, so that might be too much. Who knows? We're basically just having fun today. We're soaping for fun. Kenneth and I never get to soap for fun. So into this first container is Shimmery Black Magic from Fizz Fairy. Then I've got some Here Comes the Bride. This is from Mad Micas. I almost never, when I'm making a white soap, use exclusively like a mica mix to do it. I almost always use TD. We're changing it up today. I just broke it.
That looks like marshmallow. Now I'm hungry.
And now I have dark navy blue from Nurture. It's a gorgeous color, and it's mixed with a little bit of Twilight from Mad Micas to make it just a tiny bit more blue and a little less navy. Let's blend it up and see how it looks. So these two are actually kind of similar, and I wonder if that's going to end up hurting my design, and I should have made this like pink or something. I don't know. We're going to try it anyway. Okay, so I'm blending in an essential oil blend of lots of different fruity fragrances. This does seem to yellow whenever the soap is raw, but as it sits, it typically goes away. Okay. All of the essential oil has been blended in, so let's start pouring into our tall round mold after this quick commercial break. So to prep the mold, it has a liner that comes with it. This is from Brambleberry, by the way. You have to put the actual soap shaper tool. Once again, this is from Love Your Suds, so you gotta put that in first. Bing, 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 bing. Try to put it in straight, not crooked. All right, I'm gonna start by pouring it into this funnel. Is this the way you're supposed to do it? I don't know, because I didn't read the instructions. I'm just doing it the way that seems the most smart to me.
Why did you not look up any of this?
I wanted to wing it. It can't be that difficult. If this doesn't work, we're gonna title the video Katie Messes Up for 30 minutes straight. I've also started alternating. At first, I was doing each one of the 3, so I was doing navy, black, and then white, navy, black, and white, but now I'm doing navy, white, black, white. I'm trying to put another white layer in between them. I'm gonna have a lot of soap left over. I should have prepped like 4 of these molds. I don't measure anything. I don't prep anything. I don't do anything. Haha! Doing pretty good. I'm gonna do 2 more pours, I think, of the 2 colors, and then we'll call it gravy. I feel a failure coming on. So let's pull this up as straight as we can. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, that was really satisfying to do. Who knows what this is gonna look like? Well, I'm pleased. No prep, no idea of what it's going to look like, no clear vision. Just the way I like to soap. Okay guys, we're gonna let this harden. I'm so nervous. I don't think it worked. Definitely user error. That's okay. We're still gonna keep our thoughts uplifted. Happy thoughts, my little soapy friend. Let's wait 24 hours and then we'll come back and chop it up after this quick commercial break. I have removed the soap 24 hours later out of our tube mold, and I have come to the conclusion that I should never ever use those tube molds again unless I line it with freezer paper. That little plastic liner has done to me what every single plastic liner I've ever been given has done to me, which is rip the sides of my soap. You can see it's not a very clean edge. It's not silicone, so that's why. So next time I'm going to make it a little prettier by lining that, but for now, let's see how we did. I can also see that my colors do look rather distinct, which I'm a little surprised at, but I am pleased. Moment of truth. Ooh. Okay. I'd say pretty good for first time. So you can see those rings on the outside are very, very close together, which doesn't really add to any sort of distinction. So I probably should have let my batter thicken up a little more before pouring. Ooh, on this side, it's a little more distinct. This also probably has to do with where the soap is being cut. I still think I should have used more vibrant colors because then we really would have been able to see a lot more detail, but that still looks pretty cool. I really like this one. So this one, I'm getting closer to the top, and this one I'm way down at the bottom, so I think that's why these are looking better, because this is where the thicker soap was coming through. Yeah, that looks really cool. Look at this one, that looks like a flower. Yeah, those look really neato. These down here, they're looking a little sloppy. I think this technique is definitely worth revisiting. We could use some more vibrant colors. We could wait for it to set up a little bit more. I think I could nail it if I did it again. So the question of the day is, would you like to see the same technique revisited? Maybe try some different colors, see it all prettified, all perfected. If you would, be sure to click the I in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Let me know. If you're not interested, then I just won't do it, but I will pay attention to this poll, and if you are, then I'll have to make a video pretty soon. Okay guys, this is a super fun project, and I'm really having a good time experimenting with it. Next video that we do for Kaleidoscope, I'm going to, number one, make the colors a lot more contrasted. Having the black and then the navy, it's just too similar. You're not seeing all of that Kaleidoscope features whenever those two are so similar. So I'll probably do like a black, a pink, and a white, so it's very like, whoa. And then I'm also going to use squeeze bottles to get the soap dead in the center, because you can see on a couple of my bars it's like leaning to the side. So if I use the squeeze bottles like everybody else did, then I'll probably get that as well. So hooray, we're going to do this again, don't you worry. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me experiment with it for the first time. Again, having not researched it at all, I think it did pretty well. And for those of y'all who are like, well, it would have turned out perfect if you had just researched it, I like doing things by myself first, that way I get a feel for it, and then going and seeing what other people do. That's just my personal process, and you guys are along for the ride. I hope you guys are enjoying the 12 days of Soapmas so far. We are closer to being finished than we are to beginning, and that is a sad day, but we've had a lot of fun this year. I can't wait for you guys to see what we're cooking up for 2020. So have yourself an absolutely lovely day. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today, like going out and getting yourself a Starbucks holiday drink, or going and getting from Chick-fil-A. They have a peppermint milkshake. It's a peppermint mocha milkshake. I don't know, but that's one of the best milkshakes I've ever had, ever. Caleb doesn't like chocolate, and that's what he's gotten every single time we've gone. So just putting that out there. It's delicious. And until tomorrow, have an absolutely royal day, and bye for now.